Hi guys, it's the digital tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. In today's video, I'm just going to show you how to remove a Google account on a computer or laptop. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step tutorials, how-tos and tips and tricks for everything tech and digital related. So to do this, we need to come across to our Google Chrome browser. And you can even do this on a Mac as well. So you can do this on a Mac or a Windows laptop. The process is exactly the same. And from here, what you need to do, you can see I'm already logged into one of my accounts, and this is the account I'll be using in this example to show you how to remove. So what we need to do in the top right hand corner is click the three dots next to our profile icon, and then come down and click onto settings. And from here, what you need to do is click the down arrow here. So this top option, if we click the down arrow, and we need to click on to sign out first of all. So this is signed you out of the account, and to remove this fully, what we're going to do is just click this button. It's going to take you to the screen, and what we're going to do is click this button here which says remove an account. And then just quite simply click the account we want to remove, which will be this one down here. And it's just going to come up with a quick confirmation saying martinhemmings30@gmail.com will no longer be used with Google services on this browser. Sign in when you're ready to use your account again. So to remove that fully, you just need to go ahead and click yes, remove. And you'll see that has now been removed from this browser. So I hope you found that helpful. If that did help, please drop a like and leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you do want to help support the Digital Tutor channel, there is a link in the video description below where you'll be able to click and buy the team a cup of coffee. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.